PureWeb Reality is the leading real-time streaming platform for interactive 3D experiences on the immersive web. Our fully managed platform enables the large-scale distribution of high-fidelity, interactive 3D experiences, built in the Unreal Engine and Unity game engines to users' web browsers on any device, anywhere in the world. As real-time technologies such as game engines are being rapidly adopted in a host of commercial and enterprise applications, the teams creating these experiences are running into a problem. Their audience does not have the gaming-grade desktop hardware necessary to run these immersive experiences. Remote streaming solves this problem by enabling high-fidelity 3D models to run on powerful cloud hardware and be interacted with remotely via a web browser. Herein lies the challenge. Doing this at scale for a global user base is tremendously challenging. It requires advanced orchestration of infrastructure across multiple clouds, systems for global routing and load balancing, as well as sophisticated deployment and provisioning pipelines. Doing all of this in a highly secure and efficient way that ensures a high-performance end-user experience is a complex problem for business organizations as well as individuals who just want to focus on building real-time experiences for their users. This is where we come in. PureWeb Reality provides a simple, scalable, and secure platform for the orchestration and provisioning of 3D game models that leverage remote streaming technology. We take away all the complexity of infrastructure management and deployment by managing a GPU orchestration backbone that spans dozens of regions across multiple cloud providers. We also provide real-time creators with a host of tools to make the development of these rich 3D web experiences fast and easy, including an easy-to-use web console, a fully featured SDK and client template, a local streaming agent, and more. To best support different use cases and deployment needs, PureWeb Reality offers multiple deployment options: on-demand, dedicated tenant, and hybrid. Our on-demand option leverages one of several shared pools of GPU-powered servers around the globe. With this option, you will only pay for streaming time, not infrastructure time. Our platform will efficiently scale up or down to accommodate the actual number of visitors to your experience. For highly bespoke experiences, our dedicated tenant option can be specifically customized to leverage every class of GPU, across all geographies and across multiple clouds, while also enjoying a range of configuration controls such as managing scaling behavior, concurrency levels, capacity guarantees, and more. To leverage the benefits of both dedicated tenant and on-demand providers, projects can be configured for a hybrid deployment. This means that you can have some amount of dedicated compute capacity, and if the demand for your model exceeds that capacity, excess requests will flow into the nearest on-demand provider. To get started, upload your Unreal or Unity model to the PureWeb console. Once your 3D model is uploaded, the PureWeb platform takes care of distributing your model out to a variety of these clusters of GPU servers around the world in accordance with your preferred deployment strategy. Our sophisticated load management and routing system will ensure users will consistently be routed to the nearest cloud instance, resulting in the best performance with the lowest wait time possible. To support developers in their real-time streaming journey, we have a rich and ever-growing resource hub with all sorts of helpful articles and how-to guides. Join our active Discord community, where we provide regular updates on the product, as well as answer questions and provide community support. Ready to start your real-time streaming journey? Want a demo of our platform? Contact us at sales@pureweb.com to learn more.